Hi, this is Katil Roshan, and today we will be talking about Twitter ads, what are the options available in Twitter ads, and how we can track Twitter ads results, like whatever ads that has run, what has happened with that. And along with that, I will be also sharing you how you can use Twitter ads without adding the card details. So do watch video till the end to get all this informations. And those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe my channel to get the regular update regarding digital marketing, as I update every week a new video regarding digital marketing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as I publish my content. So now let's start the topic. First thing that you need to do when you are doing Twitter ads is particularly we will log in into our Twitter account, and then after that here more option is there. Once you click on the more option after going to the home page, you will find that Twitter ads option. So once you click on the Twitter ads option here, then again you will come to this page. If you have already like practice ads, so you will come to this page, otherwise you will directly come to here. So here this is like objective, whatever we want to achieve. Like we want to achieve reach, so we can go with reach. If we want to achieve video views, so we can go with video views, pre-roll views for premium content, app install. So again, if I want to install my app, website traffic, if I want to like I want people to go and check my websites, and if I want of my particular tweet to get some engagement like retweet, replies or comments, so I can go and I can do that. To increase the followers, I can run the followers ad. Then after that we have app re-engagement. So app re-engagement is particularly called as like if we want to engage people who have downloaded my app, I want them to re-engage with my app, so I can go and I can do that. Then afterwards here, if you will find almost all the options are same, so I will explain you one, and after that you can explore others. So suppose like I want to increase the followers, so I can go and I can click on the followers ad. So again I can click here, and then I can go to the next. What will extra come on the follower ad? The follow button. So just like Facebook like ads, it will be showing follower button when people will click and they can follow you. So here objective we can have, and then we can have campaign name. So campaign name, suppose it is follow, and then again the funding shows, so you can add that. Then after that start date and start time. So suppose I want to start from 30th March, and again and I don't want, I will see how it goes. And suppose I want $50 to start with, and with this Twitter you don't get the Indian time zone and Indian currency, so you have to pay in the USD basically. And time zone, you have to either go with the Sri Lanka if you are from particularly running the ads from India, so you have to either choose Sri Lanka or Bangladesh either, and other time zone are available apart from India. Then after that here we can go with the next, and here we can give ad group. See, campaign is where we decide the objective, and ad group is the place where we do the targeting. So again we can come here and we can give the ad group name. So again in ad group name we can go and we can give here, suppose we want followers ad, so follow, and then after that I can give my profile name, and after that I can give the date. So on 29th March 2022 we make. Then we have delivery. So again like total ad group budget. So suppose if I am running multiple ad groups under one campaign, so I will give the budget split. For example, suppose I am running one campaign and two ad group, means I want to test with different targeting, then I will give the here budget option. Otherwise you can see here it is written optional. So for example, suppose $100 I have keep campaign budget, and I want to target two things, like one you can say particularly certain age group, certain gender or certain location, another also some other targeting. Then I can split that between $50 and $50. Many people generally say that as a split test also, and in digital marketing we can say that A B testing of two audience set, you can say. Then goals is set. Then after that, bid strategy, since I am going with one ad group only, so I will not give here any budget, since I have already given in the campaign $50 per day. Then here bid strategy, automatic bid means Twitter will take care of. Target cost is like particularly you can say we will take care of. So if I go with the target cost, Twitter recommends you, so you can go with the recommended budget. So again, like $2 to $2.50. So average cost for per follower. So I can go and I can have that. Then after that, demographics. So whatever demographics I want to target. So again, like you can say women's, men's, and particularly I want to target suppose women. So I can go and I can have the age range suppose 13 to 54, and any particular location. So I can go suppose India. So I can go and I can target particularly Indian locations. So India, just a second, India, yeah. So still just a second, optional, if I go, yeah, country India is, you will find here country India option. So again I can go and I can target just like that. If I have to target anything else, so I can go and I can target, and on the right hand side you can see the audience estimate. Then after that, language option. So again I can go in, and if my products or my services or my website is in certain language, so I can go and I can target that. Then again, device wise I can do the targeting, like suppose I want to reach out to iOS operating system or Android or other mobile app or desktop, so I can go and I can do that. Then if I want to go with the device model, so I can go and I can see here the device models upon which we can target. So we can choose as per our requirement if we want to reach out to certain device model only. Then here carrier. So again, like suppose I am targeting for India or any country, so you can go and you can choose the internet provider of that particular country, the cell phone networks and all that. Then after that, target people who first use Twitter on a new device. So yes, we can target that. And then here comes the custom audience. So custom audience is like, suppose if we have connected our website to Twitter, so I can go and I can target people who are doing some activity on my website. I can download, I can upload the list or app activity, but this will only work when you have connected your website to the like you can say Twitter. I will show you how you can connect that. Particularly you can go and you can do that. Then after that, particularly targeting features, so I can go here and I can, this is the main targeting you will get. Particularly this custom targeting is if in company you have requirements, so you can do that. Otherwise the main targeting we use this targeting here. I can target as per the keywords. So I can go and I can have like suppose I want to reach out to the people digital marketing who is related to digital marketing, so I can do here the keyword targeting, and you can say 5.1 million people I can reach out to. Just like this I can search for other thing as well. Then again, forward looks like, so again, like suppose if I have any account in mind, so suppose I have account in mind like content marketing institute. So suppose something like this account I want particularly, so I can go and I can click on that. So again, this like this account, Twitter will try to find me the followers. Then I can go here interest one by one, whatever interest I think my customer could be. So suppose if I'm advertising something related to beauty, so I can go and I can have beauty. And if I am doing something related to marketing, so I can target people who are related to business and all that. So it will be again an interesting thing to have. So I can go and I can target people whoever are interested in advertising, and then again other entrepreneurship, marketing. So if I want to reach out to only marketing people, so I can go and I can click on that. Then afterwards, same movies and TV shows you can see. So here you can go and you can type the letters ABC. So you will mostly get whatever is there particularly. So most of thing you will find for Canada, UK and all that. So barely any Indian and all you will find that. So that's why they have written it optional. So event, if you go, so you can target as per the event. So if you want to reach out to the people who have involved in certain events related to politics, Olympics, holiday, and the mention event that they have. Then after that, placement. So by default it is there. Now again I can go here and I can create the ad, or I can tweet the whatever I have tweeted in the past. So you can see here the last whatever I tweeted. So I can choose that either, or either I can click on create. But this create option will not come unless and until you add the credit card, or like particularly the funding source. So if you have added the funding source, you will get create option. So without adding the funding source also you can see, but this create option will won't work for you. So here you can go and you can check whatever tweet that you have done. So again, if I show you create tweet, so I can go here and I can name the ad. So suppose follower ad, follower ads, and then here what is happening. So I can go and I can write about the tweet. Get the latest trends in marketing, and then after that here single media or carousel. Carousel means multiple. So suppose I am want to go with the single. So card type website, so include all a call to action to your website, and then add media. So I can go and I can upload anyone. So again I go and I have uploaded here. So again you can see they have taken the picture. So again I can go and I can take that. Then after that here preview. So again I can go here and I can click on tweet. So once I go and I click on tweet, since I have not added the money, like particularly in that card, prepaid account and all, so that's why here create option is not coming. So again I can go particularly after that here all the things, like if I click on that, so it will be published. And now how to track that? So for tracking you can click here analytics. So you can go to the account home, or particularly you can go to your Twitter account, and once you go to the Twitter account you can go to here analytics, and after coming to the analytics here you can go to the more, and you can go here to this conversion tracking. So under more you will get the conversion tracking option. So again like you can go here, and now after that I can go to the event and I can add the event source. So again like particularly this universal website tag or single event tag. So if you are want to have like particularly any single event only if you want to track, so you can go with that, and if you want the universal, so it will track all the things. So depending upon what you want you can go and you can do. So for example I have already done the universal tag, so again single event is coming for you, for me. So but for you this universal tag will come. So both work like particularly a set of code that is needed to be added in the backend. So once I click on that, then I click on this. Now again whatever code that I want, so I can give here the name anything. So suppose I want site visit, so I can go and site visit. So again event type, so whatever I want I can go and I can select here purchase, download, sign up and site visit. So post engagement window, after seeing my ad and all, so up to how many days I will count that. So 30 days I will go and I will take that. Then after that I will go with next, and this code is needed to be given in the backend. So once it is given before the header section, so you can tell your developer to give that, they call it Twitter pixel. So after that whatever conversions and all will happen, whatever tracking is happen, so you can go and you can see that in analytics and as well as in ad manager as well. So this is how generally we run the Twitter ads. Rest all also are of same types basically. So if you go, if I show you, if I go here ad manager, then if I click on create campaign, so you can go here and you can see website traffic, engagement, followers and all that, any ad you run. So suppose I go with website traffic, so you can go with next. You can see the all the same option you will find here. majorly you will get the same option particularly, and then afterwards I can go and I can launch campaign. So once I launch campaign, my ads will go live. So this is how generally this Twitter ads we run. And one thing I will advise you to say, sometime what happens while creating the ad, basically sometime they will ask for a credit card details and all, and if you don't want to give, still you want to see like how it goes, so you can go here particularly to this name and you can click on to your name drop down, and you can click on edit access to account. So once you click on edit access to account, then after that you can click on this view ad manager. So like this, if they are asking you for the credit card, so you can skip and you can still practice how this goes on particularly. So this is what we have for Twitter ads. Thank you for watching my video. Do let me know in the comment section so anything related to digital marketing, a new video you need, so that I will be making on that. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video guys.